One of the greatest obstacles to wealth is the belief that you are competing for limited opportunity or resources. Competition creates tension, fear, and urgency. It forces the mind into comparison and keeps the nervous system in a constant state of alert. Non-competitive thinking is not passive, it is creative. It recognizes that opportunity is not scarce, it is responsive. When you believe that someone else's success limits your own, your mind contracts. When your mind contracts, creativity shuts down. This lesson is about removing that contraction. There is no fixed amount of success to divide up. Growth does not happen by taking something away from others. Growth happens by creating something new. When you operate from non-competitive thinking, you stop scanning the environment for threats and start responding to possibility. Comparison drains energy because it places your attention on what others are doing instead of what you are creating. Creation requires presence. When you are present, you act clearly. When you act clearly, value increases. And when value increases, wealth flows naturally. Non-competitive thinking also restores emotional safety. You no longer feel rushed to prove yourself. You no longer fear being replaced. You no longer question your timing. You understand that your work has a place because it solves a specific problem in a specific way. Even if others are doing something similar, no one can replace your perspective, clarity, or contribution. Competition is rooted in fear. Creation is rooted in trust. When you trust the process, you stop reacting and start responding. You do not need to rush ahead or hold back. You move at the pace of alignment. This lesson is not about ignoring others. It is about releasing the belief that you must outrun them. When non-competitive thinking becomes your default, collaboration becomes natural, confidence stabilizes, and wealth becomes a byproduct of contribution rather than conflict. This is how expansion feels calm instead of aggressive. This is how growth becomes sustainable.